video is less on my camper and more on what I will be doing as far as fall road trips going into winter. So my 3 priorities are, first of all, my dog. Second of all, to be able to get a decent couple of hours of rest while I'm driving. And third of all is being able to create food while I'm on the road, because I really try to stay away from restaurants. Though occasionally, well, I slip. Decided to make this video, aside from that I had to really vacuum out the van from summer camping. Taylor has 2 crates. One's not put together, so that if I go to somebody's house, I just have that second crate I can just grab. But there's my bed. Storage underneath. That's a table. That's a tent. Winter hats and gloves. This is the curtain that I use as a divider here for privacy. A basket for miscellaneous food that is not in the camp kitchen, that needs to stay out of dog tooth range. These are all my electric pots, pans, toaster, coffee maker. I've got other videos that show what's in this box, which is all of the electric cords, tent pegs, trash cans, trash bags, CB radio, because in the winter I might need it. Miscellaneous small tools, wrenches, ratchets, a bag that contains various power cords for things like my refrigerator, as well as solar power supply. Camp kitchen, a butane stove. Yes, I do use a butane stove outside. A camera that's on the back window of the van. Something I'm always forgetting to show people, it's kind of a neat thing, is it holds my iPad. So if I'm watching movies, or if I'm outside cooking, it's adjustable. So the inconvenience that I do have is when somebody else rarely ever drives my car, they always want to move the seat back. With the platform, they can't. A lot of people don't realize it, but you can tilt the seats backwards. So that gives a pretty decent width. There's the sleeping area, sleeping bag, which I don't want it out because the dogs will just end up playing in it. Taylor's crate, and that's just extra blankets. And I have the curtain up, but it does not cut off my vision from the front. And all I have to do is untie this, move it up, and I've got total privacy. There are a couple of things that I left out of the last video. One was I just bought a rice cooker, so I have not tried that in the van. I did want to show you one other thing. When I'm on the road, first thing in the morning, I don't always have time to make breakfast, especially if I'm at a rest area or somewhere I shouldn't be. Breakfast is important, and so this is something that I use. Table and NutriBullet. I didn't include this in the last video of 700 watt or less items because this one is actually a 900 watt unit. That works fine on a 1000 watt power supply. Right, Taylor? These little tables are super easy because it just folds up like that. These flip down. And it folds up that small. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and definitely give me a thumbs up.